Now we're talking with Mark Gilbert from Bombardier in Belgrade. Mark, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
In your presentation, you came up with a very novel approach compared to the other OEMs with a two-pronged solution for the Southeast Europe market. Could you walk us through a little bit about the approach that you took from the seasonality issue?
Okay, first of all, Bombardier has a family of aircraft. So we have the Q400, the turboprop, the regional jets to fit in the 70 to 100 seaters, and then we have the new C series. So we have some opportunities to go to different customers, different regions with different solutions. What I was talking about specifically on this panel was, for example, Air Serbia, which operates ATRs and then the turboprop and then into the narrow body fleets. So naturally a good solution for them would be two-pronged. Q400 and the C series. Now I'm not saying that the CRJ family of the 900 or the 1000 wouldn't fit in here, but I wouldn't want to go into an airline and give a 3 aircraft solution. Let's keep it simple. Let's give them 2 different fleet types and concentrate on that. So with regards to, if we're looking here at Air Serbia, the Q400s not only replaces the ATRs, but it also helps them into some of those routes that are longer, that are narrower, that go up into the narrow bodies, which we understand and are not being flown to full capacity, which is important. They also have a fleet of 319s and 320 A320s, and the C series is an optimal aircraft for that. And one of the big reasons is the seasonality here. We see in the slides that in the summertime we had 67% of the annual traffic, and that is growing year over year. So what you want is an aircraft that will sort of bounce off as much as it can, the good and the bad. We see, for example, on sectors from Belgrade to Amsterdam, where the 320 is only hauling as an average of 85 passengers. Well, that's growing, and you've got to keep growth into potential, but that's still a very low number. So what you want to do is get into a C-Series aircraft, anywhere from 120 to maybe 140 seats, depending how you build that capacity. Put that on and fill it up more in the summertime, and maybe have that less in the wintertime. But what you're doing is going for the lowest trip cost. So I think that lowest trip cost in an aircraft that size to sort of balance out the seasonality as best as you can is a good alternative.
Thank you so much.
There you go.